Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Outlook. By integrating these two tools, you can save time and effort, allowing you to manage your appointments in one place. So let's start. First, you will need to have a Calendly account and a Microsoft account. Once you have those set up, go to your Calendly account and click on this Integrations tab at the top. Then here, scroll down and look for Microsoft Outlook integration. As you can see, Microsoft Outlook is not available in this integration center. In this case, we will use Zapier to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Outlook. Now, go to zapier.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, click on this Create Zap button at the top left corner of the screen. Here, first change the name of the Zap. I'll name it Calendly with Microsoft Outlook. Next, search for Calendly as your trigger app and select the trigger that you want to use. For example, you might want to use the invitee created event, which triggers when someone schedules an event with you through Calendly. After that, click on Continue. Here, connect your Calendly account and click on Continue. After that, test your trigger to confirm that the right account is connected and that your trigger is set up correctly. Once the invitee was found, click this Continue button to proceed. Now, select Microsoft Outlook as your action app and choose the specific action you want to perform. For example, you might want to use the Create Event action, which creates a new event in your Outlook calendar. After that, click on this Continue button. Here, connect your Microsoft account and click on Continue. Now, you'll need to map the data from your calendar trigger to your Outlook action. This means telling Zapier what information to include in the event that gets created in your Outlook calendar. Finally, once you have set up the Zap, test it out to make sure it is working properly. Simply click on this Test Action button, and if everything looks good, publish the Zap and turn it on. It will automatically create new events in your Outlook calendar whenever someone schedules an event with you through Calendly. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Outlook, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.